Hi everyone, today I'm making a quick video about Gmail and HMS devices. Some of you have asked me, how do you get it? Is there any issues with it? Can you get it in the first place? And the answer is a resounding yes. It's very easy to add it. You can use the default email app from Huawei, or if you prefer, you can use a third-party app like Yahoo Email or Outlook or whatever else you might prefer. And I will quickly show you how to do that. I have my email apps ready here. I will use the default Huawei app in this case. Just pick Gmail, continue. I already have my account. If you don't, just add your details. Allow all of these. And you should be ready to go. We can do the same exact with Outlook. Get started. Just input your email account. Continue. I already have mine. If you don't, add your details. Next. Allow. No. And you should be done.